Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pochita from Chensō Man. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off on the left side, and let's draw the top of the mouth with a curve. And then another one next to it on the left side. Next, let's hop underneath and let's add the mouth. Let's start with a U-shaped curve down and back up. And then two V-shapes at the top for the teeth. And a curve inside on the bottom right for the tongue. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw a curve up, curve it over to the right, stopping here. Now let's add the chainsaw coming out from the head. Next to the mouth here, let's draw an angled line up, like this. And then another angle starting from the top of the head. Now let's connect them at the end with a curve. Next, let's hop inside and let's do the same thing to add a border. And now inside the border, let's add some diagonal lines all the way around. Next, let's add the spikes on the outside. Let's start underneath and let's draw a V-shaped point. Then let's leave a gap and let's draw another one. And let's do the same thing all the way around. Next, in between, in the gaps, let's draw a smaller triangle. And continue this around as well. And that's it for the chainsaw. Now let's move back in and let's draw the eye. Inside the body here, let's draw a large circle. And then another one inside. And then let's color this one in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's continue drawing the body. Let's start on top and let's draw an angled line. And then another longer one next to it. And then connect them at the bottom with a curve. Now from both top lines, let's angle it over to the left and back down. Now let's hop back down and let's continue the body line on the other side by curving it down to the right, like this. Now let's move back over to the left side and let's start with a curve down and bring it over, stopping here. Now let's add the first leg at the bottom here. Let's draw a curve. And then another longer curve next to it on the right. Now from the left line, let's draw a curve down and then another curve down and over to close off the foot. And then add 2 curves inside for the toes. Now let's add another foot underneath on the left. Underneath the body here, let's draw another curve like this. And then add 2 curves inside. Now let's move back over to the right side and let's continue the body by curving it over to the right. And now at the end here, let's add the next foot. Let's draw a curve down. Hop up from the bottom and let's draw another curve down next to it like this. Now let's move over to the right side and let's curve it inwards. And then one more curve at the bottom to close off the foot. And again, 2 curves inside. And then add the last foot behind by drawing a small curve underneath the body here. And that's it for the legs. Now let's add the tail. On the top right, let's draw a curve going up. And then another one underneath, like this. For the end of the tail, let's angle both of the lines going outwards. And then connect them to form a triangle shape. And then hop inside and let's add another triangle. Next, underneath the tail, let's draw a small line out. Then bring it down. And angle it back in. And let's do the same thing inside. And that's it for Pochita. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!